a chance to be with you. Yeah. I'd gladly risk it all. Through the fire, through whatever comes. I hate you. Shall I take it on?